Hi podcasters, Amira Hama is here. In this first episode, we will talk about our hobbies, interests, and talents. So this is our podcast, Group One. Before we start, let me introduce my team. There are Kemal, Rizky, and Felix. What's
I'm
up, guys?
fine.
How are you?
Hi, I'm
Hi,
fine.
I'm great. Thanks for asking.
Okay, yeah, I'm the most beautiful one in this team. Uh, I think I'll start our discussion first with a story about my hobbies. My hobbies are watching Korean dramas. I think I've watched a lot of dramas.
Aggressive. Almost girl in the class are Korean drama lover.
Ha, you're right. But I still have more hobbies that are swimming and editing, like creating a preset and then display them on my photos. I have an interest in event management and making movies. Since I've watched dramas or some movies, I think how they make it, how is the process, why is the plot so awesome. Then about talents, I still cannot find out my talents, so I think enough from me.
Oh, you are amazing, Amira.
Thank you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, next we have Kemal. Hello Kemal, what and how you know about your hobbies, interests, and your talents? Tell us please.
Hi guys, what's up y'all? I'm good and happy for the first episode
I'm
of
good
the
too.
podcast. What you're talking about before is interesting, Amira, and you were right. You are the most beautiful because you are one and only girl in our group.
Remember, girls are always right, Kemal.
Haha, now it's my turn to tell you. My hobby is playing basketball. I like to watch NBA and I like to play with my team. My other hobby was swimming. It makes me relax when I do it. I swim when I have free time on the weekend. I was interested in technology and business stuff like that. I always think about how can I impact people to solve problems in technology and business. To me, it can bring value for myself and I always read an article or book about business or technology to upgrade my knowledge and skills. My talent, no doubt, is basketball. I've been to a lot of tournaments, sometimes I win, sometimes I lose. It's something natural, so there's mine. I think it's enough.
Oh, someday you should teach me how to play basketball, Kemal.
Too.
Oh, we have an athlete here. That's so cool. By the way, maybe next time we can swim together. Okay, next we have Felix. Felix, now it's your turn to tell about your hobby, interests, and your talents, of course. So tell us about yours. We will love to hear it. Come on.
Hi, everyone. I hope you all are well. Okay, so without any further ado, my hobby is watching movies. Sometimes I'm amazed by the shooting of the film, the way the actors carry out their roles, even the storyline. I am very interested in technology. I study about computer hardware. Sometimes I fantasize about blending hardware until it gets efficient. For now, I want to learn about software. Maybe this is the reason why I entered the information system major at Telkom University.
Wow, we have the same interest.
Maybe we can survive our interests more together, right?
Okay.
Okay, now about my talent. I'm not sure. I like playing guitar because my dad used to play it a lot when I was little. I also like some bands like Coldplay, Paramore, and much more. I think enough about me. I really want to hear about you, Rizky. It will be very interesting. Come on, Rizky, tell us about you.
You should teach me how to playing guitar, Felix.
Oh
Yep,
yeah,
and then for the last we have Risky.
of course, with pleasure.
Hello
Yeah.
guys.
Hi.
We all have interest, hobbies, and talent. Okay, let me tell you my hobby. I like playing video game, watching movie, same with you Felix, but I don't watch Korea drama like Amir. Haha. I like playing badminton. but because of this pandemic, I have not played badminton for a long time. Talking about interest, for now, I'm interested in technology and science of trading in stock investor. Why become a trader? Because of this pandemic, the world economy is bad and stock prices are down. If talking about talent or not, but I'm pretty good at video game. Okay guys, this is how I can share to you guys. Thank you.
Thanks for sharing with us, Rizky. I think you should try watching Korean dramas. I'm so sorry.
Thanks for us too, but maybe not for Korean dramas.
Okay. Maybe because the time is up and you guys also have on it. So it's enough to end our podcast. Thank you guys for your time. And I hope this pandemic will end soon. Bye.
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 Bye.